You can file your forms in person, by mail, and some counties allow electronic filing. For electronic filing, just check with your county for their rules. When you file your forms in person or by mail, you'll submit the original and 2 copies to the clerk. The original will be for the court, 1 copy will be for you, and the other for your spouse. If done correctly, the clerk will stamp the original filed with the date it was filed. The original will be kept in your case file, which is a public record. The clerk will then stamp the copies you provided, usually as endorsed filed. Another way of saying these are copies of the originally filed forms, and then return them to you. If you are going to file your forms in person, you must visit the clerk's office at your local family court. When you arrive at the family court, there will be signs directing you to the clerk's office. There might be a few different lines, so just make sure you stand in the right line, the line for family law filings. When it's your turn, you'll provide the clerk your forms, the original and the 2 copies. The clerk will review your forms to make sure you completed them correctly. If approved, you'll receive your copies back as an endorsed copy and pay any filing fee required. If you file by mail, you'll need 2 envelopes. You'll need an envelope to mail your original forms with your 2 copies to the court clerk, and you'll need the other envelope for the clerk to mail your 2 copies back to you. Label the first envelope the mailing address for the family court in your county and put your address for the return. Next, prepare the return envelope. This time, put your address as the recipient and the court's mailing address for the return. You can use any kind of envelope. Mail envelopes or a flat rate priority envelope work nicely. Put enough postage for all 3 copies to come back in case there is a mistake. If you do not provide a self-addressed stamped envelope or enough postage, the clerk will not mail copies back to you. Put all 3 copies, the check for any filing fee, and the return envelope into the envelope addressed to the family court. Put enough postage and mail it. If done correctly, when filed, the clerk will return the endorsed filed copies to you in the self-addressed envelope that you provided. If not done correctly, the entire package will be returned to you unfiled, typically with a notice of what was done incorrectly.